So at your tables, at this point, you should have gently mixed together your distilled water with the baking soda as well as the drop of dish soap. Next, what you need to do is you need to take your spoon, your Dixie cup. Bring those back to me up at my station. Bring those to me, and in turn, I will give you a hole puncher and a leaf. So what you're going to do with the hole puncher and the leaf is you need to cut out 10 hole punches of the leaf. You want to try to stay away from the veins and try to get as much of the leaf as you can to get the best results as possible. So I'm going to hole punch 10 of these. Sometimes they do get stuck in the hole puncher. These ones, fortunately, are falling straight out, so that's nice. As you can see, it's going pretty quickly for me. Let's see how many I got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Need one more. We want 10. Again, don't want it on the veins. 10. All right, great. Once you have your 10 hole punches done, next step would be take your leaf, toss it in the garbage, bring the hole puncher up to me, and I'll give you the materials you need for the next step.